Good morning, grade 4. Welcome back to grade 4 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? Today, let's learn about bills. So, what are bills? Imagine you're going to a shop with your parents to buy a few things. You'll get the required things, then you're going to bill it at the counter. So, they will hand over the bill to you and you will pay the bill according to the amount shown in the bill. So, there you're paying for the goods you purchase from there based on the amount shown in the bill. I'll tell you another example. At your home, you receive the electricity bill and your parents are paying the electricity bill. So there, you are paying an amount for a service based on the amount shown in the bill. So you pay for the goods and services you buy and the amount to be paid will be shown in the bill. An example of a typical bill. Here you can see the first column, it is the serial number. Now the second column you will have the item or the name of the thing that you are purchasing, and in the next column you will see the rate per item, which means the cost of 1 unit of that item. And in the column called quantity, you will see or you will write the number of units of that particular item that you are purchasing. And in the cost column, you will see the cost of that much units of that particular item. So, we will see one example. Suppose you are buying a pencil. So, a pencil we write in the item column and the cost of one pencil is equal to rupees 5. Let's just imagine like that. A pencil will cost rupees 5 and you are going to buy 4 pencils like that. So, the quantity will be 4. The rate per item or the cost of 1 unit of that item or the cost of 1 pencil is equal to rupees 5 and you are buying 4 pencils and hence the quantity is equal to 4. Now can you tell me what is the cost of 4 pencils? If 1 pencil costs rupees 5, what will be the cost of 4 such pencils? It would be 4 into rupees 5 or a total of 20 rupees. So, in general, you can say the cost of an item will be equal to the rate per item into the quantity of that item. Thus, multiplied by this. Now, we will see more examples. Now, this is an example from your textbook in page number 169. Let me read the question to you. Mr. Rathore bought some items from a grocery shop and given below is the bill that the shopkeeper has made. So, you can see the bill here. So, this is the bill that Mr. Rathore got when he bought some grocery. So, the first item is onion and the rate per item or the cost of 1 unit of this item or 1 unit or 1 kilogram of onion here is 18 rupee 50 paise and he bought a total of 4 kilogram of onion and hence the cost of 4 kilogram of onion is equal to 4 into 18 rupee 50 paise. That is the rate per item, the cost of 1 unit of that item into the number of units that he bought. So, 18 rupee 15 paise into 4 is equal to 74 rupee. Now, the second item, sugar, the rate per item or the cost of 1 unit or 1 kilogram is 55 rupee 50 paise and the quantity he bought is equal to 2 kilogram. So, the total cost of this sugar is equal to 55 rupee 50 paise into 2 kilograms, that is equal to 111 rupee. Now, the third item, potato, and the rate per item is equal to 22 rupee. He bought 3 kilograms of potato. So, the total cost will be 22 rupee into 3 kilogram or 3 into 22 rupee, which is equal to 66 rupees. Now, rice. Rate per unit or the cost of 1 kilogram of rice is equal to 55 rupee. Now, he bought 1 kilogram of rice. So, the cost of 1 kilogram or the total quantity of rice is equal to 55 rupee. Now, wheat. The rate per item or cost of 1 kilogram of wheat is equal to 22 rupee 50 paise. He bought 5 kilograms of wheat. So, the cost of wheat will be 5 into 22 rupee 50 paise and that is equal to 112 rupee 50 paise. Now at the bottom you can see the total amount that he has to pay for all the items he bought from the shop. So the total will be the sum of the individual cost. The cost of onion plus the cost of sugar plus cost of potato plus cost of rice plus cost of wheat, which is equal to a total of 418 rupee 50 paise. So this is how you calculate the total amount in a bill. Hope this is clear to you. Now let's see a different example. This is from page number 170 of your textbook. You have to check this following bill for any mistake. So let's go through the bill once. So here you can see the items. The first item is idli and the rate per item is equal to 22 rupee and the quantity you are buying is 4. So the cost of idli will be the rate per item into the quantity, which is equal to 22 rupee into 4 and that is equal to 88 rupee. Let's check if it is correct. So how do we do the multiplication? 22 rupee into 4, which is equal to 0 here, 88 here. Now that is equal to 88 rupee 0 paise, which is the correct amount given there. Now the next one, pani puri. The rate per item is equal to 18 rupee 50 paise and you are buying 4 units or 4 numbers of that item. So what will be the cost of pani puri? The cost of pani puri will be the rate per item into the quantity, which is 18 rupee 50 paise into 4. Let's check the amount given here is the correct amount. So let's calculate the cost of pani puri. So it will be 18 rupee 50 paise into 4. Let's do the multiplication. So 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20, you carry over 2 here, 8 4s are 32, plus 2, 34, you carry over 3 here, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 3 equal to 7 and putting the dot after 2 places from the right, the cost is 74 rupee. So is the amount given here correct? No, the amount is given as incorrect. So the correct amount here is 74 rupee. Now let's check the next one, bhel puri. The rate per item is equal to 28 rupee 25 paise and the quantity is 2. So the cost of bhel puri will be 28 rupee 25 paise into 2. And let's check what is the amount that we will get. Let's do the calculation. 28 rupee 25 paise into 2. That will be 0 here, carry over 1 here, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5, 2 into 8, 16, carry over 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 and putting the dot to separate the rupee and paise part. So the total amount for the bhel puri is 56 rupee 50 paise, which is the correct amount given in the bill. Now the next item is masala dosa. The rate per item is equal to 32 rupee 50 paise and the quantity you bought is equal to 3 units and hence the cost of masala dosa will be 32 rupee 50 paise into 3. Let's check if the amount given there is correct. So let's do the multiplication now. So the amount is 32 rupee 50 paise into 3 and that is equal to here 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 5, 15, a carry over 1, 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7 and 3 into 3, 9. Let's put the dot. So the amount here is 97 rupee 50 paise, but in the given bill it is shown as 96 rupee 20 paise, which is incorrect. So here the actual cost of masala dosa is equal to 97 rupee 50 paise. Now the next one, dahi bhala. The rate per item is equal to 60 rupee 25 paise and you are buying 2 units of it. Hence the cost of dahi bhala is equal to 60 rupee 25 paise into 2. Let's check if the amount given there is correct. So let's do the multiplication. Now 60 rupee 25 paise into 2. That will be 0 here, 1 carried over to the next place, 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Again 0 here and here it is 12. Now the total amount for dahi bhala is equal to 120 rupee 50 paise and the amount given there is incorrect. The correct amount is 120 rupee 50 paise. So since 3 of the costs were given incorrect, the total in the bill will also change. So let's find the correct total amount to be paid. How do we do that? We have to add all the amounts, the correct amounts. Let's do the addition. So here we have 88 plus 74 plus 56 rupee 50 paise plus 97 rupee 50 paise plus 120 rupee 50 paise. So let's do the addition. Here we have 0 and here it is 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15. I carry over 1 here. Now 7 plus 6 13 plus 4 17 plus 8 25 plus 1 26. I carry over to the tens place. Now here we have 2 plus 9 11 plus 5 16 plus 7 23 plus 8 31 plus 2 33. Now again I carry over to the hundreds place. So now in the hundreds place we have 1 plus 3 which is equal to 4. So the actual total amount or the total bill is equal to 436 rupee 50 paise. I hope this is clear to you now. Now we'll do one activity. This is from exercise 12.3 in page number 170 itself. The first question, prepare a bill for the given items. So now let's learn how to prepare a bill given the names, the quantities and the prices of a few items. So the first one, 4 pastries, each pastry costs 62 rupee 50 paise. 2 breads, each bread costs 18 rupee. 3 chocolates, each chocolate costs 50 rupee. 5 small pizzas, each pizza costs 155 rupee 50 paise. What is the total amount? So how do we prepare a bill? The names and quantity of each of the items is given. Their prices are also given. From this, let's first prepare a bill and find out what is the total amount to be paid. So let's see. First we are going to draw a table like this. Keep in mind a bill can be a handwritten bill or a printed bill. For the time being, we'll make one handwritten bill. So first let's draw a table like this. Here we'll have the serial number, the name of the item, the rate per item, the quantity and the amount for each of the item. So the first item is pastry and the cost of one pastry or each pastry costs 62 rupee 50 paise. How do we tabulate this in this table? So let's put the serial number 1, the item, let's write the name of the item, pastry, then the rate per item or the cost of 1 unit of that item, and it is given here as 62 rupee 50 paise. So let's write it here and the quantity we need or the required number of pastries here is 4. So in the quantity column we'll write 4. Then in the amount column we have to find out what is the cost of 4 units of pastry, and each unit of pastry or each piece of pastry costs 62 rupee 50 paise. So the amount will be the rate per item into quantity. So that will be equal to 62 rupee 50 paise into 4. How much is that? We can do the multiplication. You'll find that the cost of 4 units of pastry is equal to 250 rupee. Now let's tabulate the next item. The second one is bread. So in the serial number column, we'll write number 2, then we'll write bread. Then the cost of each piece of bread is 18 rupee. So let's write it here. 18 rupee 0 paise, and we need 2 units of breads. That is 2. Now the amount of 2 units of bread is equal to 18 rupee into 2, which is equal to 36 rupee. So let's write it here in the bill. So similarly, you have to write the name, the rate per item, the quantity and amount of the other 2 items in the bill, and you'll get a bill like this, and then you have to find the total amount. How do we do that? You have to add the cost of each of these items. So here the total amount will be 250 rupee plus 36 rupee plus 150 rupee plus 777 rupee 50 paise. So let's do the addition here. It will be equal to, here it is 0, now 5 here. Now we're moving to the rupee column. We have 7 plus 6, which is equal to 13. So write 3 here, carry over 1 to the next place. Now in the tens column we have 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 1, 21. I carry over 2 here. Now 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So what is the total amount as per the bill? The total amount is equal to 1213 rupee 50 paise. Children, I hope now you understand how to prepare a bill and how to find out the total amount in a bill. The next time you see a bill, just take a look at it. Now we can go through this topic, making a bill, in page number 169 and 170 of your textbook. Go through the topic once, and then you have to complete the question number 2 from exercise 12.3. And also you have to complete the question under the heading HOTS. There are 2 sets of these questions there, one in page number 170 and 172. And there is a life skills question in page number 171 under the heading LS. In the same page you will see the maths lab activity, and in page number 172 you will see my project and the enrich yourself column. So go through all of these and do accordingly. So that's all for today, children. Hope the concepts we learned today are clear to you. We'll see in the next class. Till then, bye.